In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a knowledge base in Zendesk. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your very own help center from scratch. First, let's talk about enabling the help center. Before you can dive into creating your knowledge base, you'll need to ensure this feature is activated. Head over to the Admin Center. Then navigate to Workspaces, followed by Agent Tools, and finally, Help Center. If it isn't already active, click the Activate button. Remember, you'll need admin rights to do this. As you activate it, you'll be prompted to choose a name, specify a subdomain, like helpyourcompany.com, and select a default language. This step essentially brings your public-facing knowledge base, or Help Center, to life. Now that the Help Center is up and running, it's essential to set up a structure that's clear and organized. Zendesk uses a straightforward hierarchy. Categories contain sections, and sections contain articles. In your Help Center admin view, click on Knowledge and then Manage Articles. To start, click on Add Category. Categories serve as the broad topics under which your sections will be organized, like folders in a filing cabinet. Once you have a category, you can begin adding sections by selecting Add Section. For example, you might create sections titled Getting Started or Troubleshooting. It's crucial to remember that at least one section is needed before you can add any articles. With your structure in place, it's time to fill it with useful content by creating articles. In the Knowledge area, click Add Article. Here, you'll enter a title for your article and fill in the body, using rich text, images, links, or even code to make your content as informative as possible. Don't forget to assign labels to your articles for better searchability. Choose the section where the article should appear and set permissions to determine who can view it. Everyone, just signed-in users, or agents only. When you're ready, click Publish to make the article live, or Save as Draft to continue editing later. For consistency, especially if you're part of a larger team, consider using templates available in the suite plans. Next on our list is setting user permissions or access control. Navigate back to the Admin Center and go to People, then End User Settings. Here, you can decide who can view articles, whether it's open to everyone or restricted to signed-in users only. You can also choose if users can post comments or submit tickets from the Help Center. To fine-tune access, create user segments that allow you to control who sees what, possibly restricting content to certain customer plans. Customizing your Help Center design is an optional but valuable step. Go to Guide Admin and select Customize Design. Here, you can choose a theme or directly edit the HTML and CSS to tailor the appearance. Add your company logo, tweak colors, and make the Help Center truly reflect your brand. Finally, automation and maintenance keep your Help Center relevant and efficient. Use content queues powered by AI to get recommendations on improving or removing outdated articles. Set up article verification dates to ensure regular reviews. In Zendesk Support, create macros to quickly link to your knowledge base articles when replying to support tickets, integrating both resources seamlessly for a better customer experience. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating a comprehensive knowledge base in Zendesk. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your customers have access to the information they need when they need it.